Hey everyone, ready to ditch your wallet and go fully digital? Here's how to use Apple Pay in 2025. So first of all, you have to set up your Apple Pay. You have to open the wallet app on the iPhone, tap plus icon and select debit or credit card. And you can use your camera to scan your card or enter details manually. You can follow your bank's verification steps. You might need to enter a code or approve it in your banking app. And you have to set a default card like after adding multiple cards, go to settings, wallet and Apple Pay and select your default card for quicker payments. And you can use Apple Pay in store when checking out at a store that accepts contactless payments. You can also double click the side buttons for home button on your older models. You can authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID or your passcode. Hold your iPhone near the payment terminal. You'll feel a quick vibration when it's successful. You can use Apple Pay online or in apps when shopping in Safari or apps like Uber or Starbucks. Just select Apple Pay at checkouts, then authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. No need to enter card info or shipping address. So you can also add Apple Pay to your Apple Watch via Watch app. Lost your phone? Use Find My iPhone to remotely lock and remove your cards. For added security, you can turn on transaction alerts in your bank app. And that's it. Apple Pay, your payments are faster and cleaner all from your phone. That's it for this video. See you on the next one.